Hey there. If your Samsung phone sound is not working, don't panic. In most cases, it's just a settings issue or a small software glitch that can be fixed easily. Follow these steps carefully to restore your phone's audio. First, check your volume settings properly. Press the volume up button on the side of your phone and wait for the sound panel to appear. Tap the three-dot menu on the volume slider to expand all sound categories. Make sure media, ringtone, notifications, and system sounds are all turned up to the maximum or at a comfortable level. After that, go to your phone's main settings app, scroll down slowly, and open the sounds and vibration section. Inside this menu, confirm that the sound mode is set to sound and not on vibrate or mute, because silent mode will block all audio output. Next, check your Bluetooth connection. Sometimes your phone may still be connected to wireless earbuds, a smartwatch, or a speaker without you noticing. Open the quick settings panel by swiping down from the top of your screen and turn off Bluetooth completely. You can also manually go into Bluetooth settings and disconnect any paired devices, then test your phone speaker again. After that, disable Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down the notification panel and check if the crescent moon icon is enabled. If it is, tap it once to turn it off. You can also open Settings, scroll down and tap Notifications, then go into Do Not Disturb settings and make sure it is fully disabled, since it blocks calls, alerts, and media sounds. Now go deeper into Accessibility settings. Open the Settings menu again, scroll all the way down and tap Accessibility. Inside this page, look for hearing enhancements or similar options depending on your model. Make sure Mute All Sounds is turned off, because this hidden feature can silence your entire device even when volume is high. If everything still seems fine but there is no sound, restart your phone. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. This refreshes system processes and often fixes temporary audio bugs. You should also check for software updates. Open Settings, scroll down to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. Keeping your device updated ensures that system bugs affecting audio are fixed, especially updates released by Samsung Electronics. If the problem still continues, try resetting system settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to General Management, tap Reset, and choose Reset Settings. This will restore system configurations without deleting your personal files or photos. Finally, if none of these steps work, the issue may be hardware related, such as a damaged speaker or internal audio component. In that case, visiting an authorized Samsung service center is the best option. By following these detailed steps one by one, you can usually fix Samsung phone sound issues and bring your audio back to normal quickly.